Raspberry baked French toast starts the same way regular French toast starts, with bread. And I'm using challah, which is really nice egg bread. You can use brioche. I mean, you can use regular white bread if you want to, but this just has much more flavor. So I need 10 cups, and I'm doing it cubed. So for this dish, it's really important to use day-old bread because the day-old bread's a little dry and it soaks up the custard. If you don't have day-old bread, you can just put the bread cubes on a sheet pan and bake them for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees, just to dry them out. Okay, that's one layer of challah. And then we're gonna put in 12 ounces of raspberries. You actually want the raspberries in the middle because you don't want them to burn. And then add more challah on top. I actually buttered the dish first, so after it's baked, it's easy to get it out. So custard is basically eggs and milk. I've got 10 extra large eggs. I'm just gonna whisk them together. And I'm gonna add 2 3/4 cups of half and half. So just pour that in. I need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, exact level measure. 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, and you wanna get it right to the top. So it's really a level tablespoon. And half a teaspoon of salt. Even sweet things need salt. And then the last thing is orange zest. I need about a teaspoon. And because there are oils in the zest, you want to try and do it right over the dish. I'm just going to whisk that all together. So if I'm going to bake this right away, what I'll do is I'll just allow it to sit until the custard really gets into the bread. But the good news is I can do it overnight, and it'll just soak in the refrigerator. Fantastic. I'm just going to press the bread cubes down a little bit just so that it gets soaked with the custard. Okay, I'm just going to put a little sugar on the top. I'll just caramelize the top and brown it nicely. Okay, into the fridge. It's just going to soak overnight. I'll bake it off tomorrow. I think my raspberry baked French toast is done. Oh, does this look great? I think I'm gonna finish it with a few little things. A little orange zest on top. Raspberries and oranges are great. Give it a little extra flavor. There's orange zest in it, so it's nice to have a little on top. A little powdered sugar. Okay, maybe it needs a little maple syrup, because of course, French toast needs maple syrup. A little drizzle. So good, warm raspberries and the pudding and the toast. Perfect make-ahead breakfast idea.